If you want a simple system to organize your life, Evernote is one of the easiest tools to get started with. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote to keep your work, personal life, school tasks, and important information all in one place. By the end, you'll have a clean setup that helps you stay organized, save time, and find anything you need in just a few seconds. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Evernote. The first thing you want to do is open Evernote and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll notice the left sidebar, which is where most of your organizing will begin. This is your home base, so take a second to get familiar with it. On the left side, click on Notebooks. This is where you can create separate spaces for different parts of your life, which makes everything much easier to manage. Now, click New Notebook. A good way to stay organized is to create notebooks based on categories that actually match your daily routine. For example, you might make one notebook for work, another for personal, one for school, and another for finances. You can also create notebooks for health, travel, family, or side projects, if that fits your needs. The goal here is to keep similar information together, so you're not digging through one giant pile of notes later. Once your notebooks are created, the next step is to start adding notes. Click plus New Note to make a fresh note. This is where you can store important details like meeting notes, to-do lists, ideas, passwords, reminders, project plans, shopping lists, or anything else you want to remember. Give each note a clear title so it's easy to identify later. For example, instead of naming a note something vague like stuff, use something specific like weekly meeting notes, bills to pay, or school assignment ideas. Clear titles make searching much easier and help you stay organized long term. After you add your content, organize the note by moving it into the correct notebook. For example, a note about an upcoming class project should go into your school notebook, while a note about monthly expenses should go into finances. This simple habit keeps your Evernote account neat and helps you find related notes quickly. Think of notebooks as folders and notes as the files inside them. Another powerful feature in Evernote is tasks. Inside your notes, you can create tasks for anything you need to complete. This is great for breaking down big responsibilities into smaller action items. For example, inside a work note, you might create tasks like send report, follow up with client, or review presentation slides. You can also use tasks for personal errands, school deadlines, or household chores. If you want Evernote to work like a real productivity system, tasks are a must-use feature. Once your tasks are in place, set due dates and reminders for the ones that matter most. This is what turns Evernote from a simple note app into a real organization tool. Due dates help you stay on track, and reminders make sure important tasks don't get forgotten. If something needs attention today, tomorrow, or next week, add a reminder so Evernote can keep you accountable. You can also attach documents, images, and PDFs to your notes. This is especially useful if you want everything in one place instead of switching between apps. For example, you could attach receipts in a finance note, class handouts in a school note, or project files in a work note. When everything is attached to the right note, you can open one file and immediately see all the related information you need. If you use Evernote Calendar, you can take your organization even further by linking meeting notes to upcoming events. This is perfect for keeping track of calls, appointments, and deadlines. Instead of searching for notes after the fact, you can connect them directly to your calendar events, which makes your workflow much smoother and more professional. Now, once you've added notebooks, notes, tasks, reminders, and attachments, the next thing you should master is search. Evernote's search bar is one of its biggest strengths because it helps you find notes, tasks, and attachments fast. If you forget where something was saved, just type a keyword into search and Evernote will help bring it up. This is why clear note titles and good organization matter so much. They make search faster and more accurate. One final habit that will keep everything working well is reviewing and updating your notes regularly. Your life changes, your priorities change, and your notes should change with them. Set aside a few minutes every week to clean up old notes, move things into the right notebook, and delete anything you no longer need. A quick weekly review keeps your system from getting messy and makes Evernote much more useful over time. So to recap, the best way to organize your life in Evernote is to create notebooks for different areas. Add clear notes, keep tasks and reminders updated, attach important files, use search when needed, and review everything regularly. Once you build this habit, Evernote can become a powerful home for your work, personal life, school planning, and everyday information. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.